Hello everyone, I am Achal Mishra and I am the co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Mumbai. I like building web applications using machine learning models with TensorFlow.js. Are you excited to build something with the power of TensorFlow? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Shubham Agnihotri and I'm co-organizer at TensorFlow User Group Bangalore. I use TensorFlow to create and train deep vision models which not only solves our daily problems but also uses our lives. Are you excited to build something like this with the power of TensorFlow? Then join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hello, my name is Prasan Kotarathil. I'm the organizer of TFUG Thrissur. I really like to use TensorFlow for creating art and paintings. Are you excited to build something? I invite you to TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hi, this is Usha. I'm the organizer for TensorFlow User Group Mysuru. I'm passionate about TensorFlow, and TensorFlow is currently revolutionizing the deep learning space in all walks of life, whether it is skin cancer classification or detecting the impact of helmets in a football match or detecting air pollution. So TensorFlow is everywhere. If you want to know more about the power of TensorFlow, you should join us at TensorFlow Everywhere. We have great lineup of speakers and see you all there.
Hey all, I am Maitreyan Kesavan. I am a co-organizer at TensorFlow User Group Coimbatore. I love using TensorFlow library to build computer vision models and deploy it for real-world use cases. Are you interested in building something new? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere and let's learn together.
Hello everyone, I'm Vijay Bharati, organizer of TensorFlow User Group Chennai. I use TensorFlow Extended for building end-to-end ML pipeline while implementing MLOps. Are you excited to build something using TensorFlow? Join with us, TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashi and I am an organizer at TensorFlow User Group Chandigarh. I really like to use TensorFlow for deploying machine learning models on Android devices using TensorFlow Lite. Are you excited to build something? I invite you all to TensorFlow Everywhere.
Hello everyone, I am Dhaval Parmar and I am a co-organizer of TensorFlow User Group Ahmedabad. I am using TensorFlow on mobile and IoT devices. Are you excited to build something with the power of TensorFlow? Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.
Join us at TensorFlow Everywhere.